Hello everyone, I am Dhawal Prajapati. Today in this video we will learn class 9 exercise number 7.1. In this video we are going on question number 4. So let us see. L and M are two parallel lines intersect by another pair of parallel lines. Look at this figure. Here L and M both are parallel lines. Okay? We can see that this L and this M both are parallel. Okay, now intersect by another pair of parallel lines which are intersect by two another parallel line P, okay, this one, and Q. Then we need to show that triangle ABC, this one, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Okay, so let us see how can we solve it. So first we can write solution here. Look at in this figure, we can say that this angle, okay, DAC, and this angle BCA both are equal. Why? Because of interior angle. Okay, we can say that this is our DAC and ACB both are interior alternative angle. Okay, so write down angle of DAC is equal to angle of BCA. We can write here reason alternative interior angle. Okay, now similarly one more pair is here this one, okay, and this one. Look at here, BAC and ACD both also alternative interior angle. Am I right? So they are also equal, and angle of BAC is equal to angle of BAC DCA. Okay, we can write here alternate interior angle. Okay, now third condition is, look at here, in both triangle, this triangle, okay, and this triangle, in both triangle AC is a common. So AC is equal to CA because of common. So now we have three conditions. Okay, two angles and one sides are equal. If two angle and one side are equal, then we can say that both triangle are congruent. Okay, therefore by angle side congruence rule, we can say that triangle, which triangle, ABC congruent to triangle CDA. So this is our proof. Now let us see question number 5. In this question we have a line L is bisector of an angle A. Okay, this line L is bisector of this angle A. That means we can say that angle of QAB and angle of BAP both are equal. Am I right? Because of L is a bisector. Second thing is BP and BQ BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arm of angle A. That means here we have two arms, okay, AQ and AP, and BQ and BP both are perpendicular. That means angle of Q and angle of P are right angle. Am I right? Then we need to show that triangle APB and triangle AQB both are congruent, and also show that BP is equal to BQ. That means equidistance from the arm of angle A. Let us see. In this question, first we can write here. Look at here. Angle of A, okay, here angle of QAB is equal to BAP. Am I right? QAB is equal to BAP because of why? L bisect angle A. Okay, L is a bisect angle A. So this is our first reason. Now second thing is angle of Q is equal to angle of P because of both are right angle. Am I right? Now look at here. I would like to draw one rough figure like this. Look at here. Here Q and here P both are right angle. Am I right? And A is equal. Now we have B. Okay, look both angle. First this one and this one both are equal. Am I right? Second thing is this and this both are equal. So third one is here AB and AB both are common. So you can write AB is equal to AB because of common. Am I right? Now in third one, so we have now two angles and one side are equal. So by using angle side congruency, by AAS congruence rule, we can say that triangle, which triangle? APB, okay, triangle APB, this one APB, and triangle AQB both are congruents. Okay, this is our first answer. Now our second question is here. We need to show that PB is equal to BQ. Okay, so here by CPCT we can say that PB means this one and QB are equal. So by CPCT BP is equal to BQ. So this is our second answer. So now this is the complete solution of our question number 5.